Jamaican singer Christopher Martin recently received his Billboard plaque for the chart-topping sophomore album, and then the big deal singer took to social media where he unveiled his plaque for the 15-track disc that debuted at number 1 on the Billboard. Chris Martin is also making waves with his new track You'll Never Find, which is also featured on VP Records' Reggae Gold 2021 compilation. The annual collection of hits features summer tracks such as Godong De by Spice, Sean Paul and Shaggy, which has over 26 million views on YouTube. Now a Powers hit, Drop, and Welcome to Jamaica by reggae star Jacure. The compilation is available on all streaming platforms and features the songs that have dominated the summer music scene. Now, still on some new music, dancehall artists Conscience and Movado recently teamed up with Spanish artists Akeem and Shamako on the bilingual new track dubbed Million Streams on YouTube. Country Youths, the album by legendary track star and record producer Usain Bolt and his best friend and manager NJ, has debuted at number 6 on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. Usain shared the news with his 10.7 million followers online. In the post he shared, he quoted lyrics from one of the tracks, Living the Dream, saying, quote, "Just some kids from the country living the dream. Work hard every day and never change up the routine." End quote. Country Youths was released on the 8-team Lifestyle Records United Masters label and features collaborations such as Say Less with Ricardo Baby Gardner and Kamal Need Your Love with JXO and the chart-topping It's a Party with NJ. The album has also recently charted on the Reggae iTunes chart at number 1. I'm Daedren with your weekend edition of E! Prime. Be safe.